Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be making some pendants using the symbol that Prince was known for. During his career, he had a dispute with Warner Brothers about his label, as he wanted to own the rights to the music. So the only way for him to own the rights to the music was to take them to make a dispute. And in 2014 he was awarded back his music and owned the rights to his music, after a lifetime of a fighting battle. Anyway, I lost the audio for the first part of this video, that's why I'm coming back doing a voiceover, so it will come back shortly, so please bear with me. So for those who are not aware of Prince, Prince was a musical revolutionist during the 80s and the early 90s. He basically put different types of genres of music together to make his own. Was brave, played over 27 instruments by himself, produced his own music. It was a fantastic artist, and I have a slight obsession for Prince. So I'm doing the voiceover because I wasn't able to... I lost the audio, so all I'm telling you here is that we're going to be making a pendant using the large pendant. That's actually my pendant, and then the others I actually bought for the video. So I bought a pin, which is the love symbol, and I bought some earrings, but the earrings had some markings on them, so I knew if that I would make a mould out of them, they would leave markings in the mould. So the symbol is basically when Prince was in dispute with Warner Brothers regarding his label, he changed his name to a symbol so no one could pronounce it, because he didn't own the rights to his own name. So that's why that's why he actually made that symbol. So it's a combination of the male and female sex symbol, basically. I love this symbol. I've actually got it tattooed on me. So anyway, the audio should be appearing, should appear back onto the video shortly, so please bear with me. In this purple, I do have a darker purple, but I like this purple, so I'm going to be using this purple with some fast cure resin from Just For Your Online UK, which is the Apex 1 coat, and I'm also using the silicone putty to make the moulds. This is from Just For Your Online UK. Takes 5 minutes to dry, skin safe, non-toxic and fast curing. Everything from today's video along with discount codes will be down in the description box for you, in case you'd like to treat yourself from any items in the video. Right, so with this is measurable by weight, or you can eyeball it, and I have done quite a bit of work with this. So you need equal parts of the purple to the white, the greyish colour should I say. And I'm not using gloves because it sticks to gloves, so you're best off with your hands. So I'm just going to use a spatula, and I'm just going to take... I'm going to be making 2 moulds first, and then I'll make a second one because I've only got 1 pin, and I need to make 2 of them. So the idea of the putty is that you mix it together until all the white is gone. I'm just going to take a small amount like that, and the same for the white. That's purple, should I say. I hope you've all had a nice Christmas and New Year. I've had a great 2 weeks off. I've been having fun with the kids. Let me know down in the comments what you've been up to over the Christmas and the New Year period. Now, so we're going to start off just like that, and we're going to mix these together. I think it needs a little bit more white in that. You might hear some noise in the background. That's my son Kobe. He's autistic, if you're not aware. He's home from school with tonsillitis. He went back yesterday and all. Right, so we just mix it together like that, really fast as possible. So I'm just going to make about 1/2 centimetre mould, and I'm going to get my pin, and I'm going to push that down into the silicone putty. But I want it quite deep because otherwise it's just going to fall out. And then be careful when you're picking up things you want to mould that it's got no what's it called, fingerprints, because otherwise fingerprints will cast into the actual silicone and you don't want that. So I'm just going to get a tool, dotting tool, and we're just going to push this down. And the reason why I'm pushing it a little bit deep is because I want it to cast. I have found that with silicone putty, if it's not deep enough, it'll just overflow and you don't get the correct moulding. And that's it. So we just leave that to dry. As I said, it takes 5 minutes to dry. So I'm going to put you on pause while this is drying, and I'm going to mix up some resin. I'm just going to mix up about 10 mils of resin because I'm not going to need much. And then I'll come back in about 10-15 minutes, and then we can get on with making our earrings and necklaces. Oh, I need to make another one as well when this is done. So I'll get back with you shortly. Bye. Right, excuse me. Right, so I'm back and I've taken the pin out of that one and put it into that one, just so that I had a second moulding of it. I didn't want to sit waiting to mould two. So all you do is just pull them off. It is quite flexible there, so you know it can bend, no problem. Problem is with this cheap kind of jewellery, it gives me a rash, so I'd rather wear a bit of resin than wear this. Only keepsake stuff anyway. Right, so I've got 20 mils of resin. I just mixed up 20 mils because it was I'm trying to get 10 mils poured in, because the resin part of this is quite thick, really thick. So yeah, as I said, I've got the Apex one coat, 20 mils, and I'm going to add some of this pink, and I'm going to add some glitter because I don't do a lot of work with glitter. And I've got this laser lavender. I got it off Amazon. Like that. Medium chunky. Right, so I just need to get myself a wooden stir stick. Right, sorry about that. Never get anything off these days. I had my nails redone yesterday, so I can't pick anything off. It's just... oh, that's why, it's because I've not used... oh well, it will have to do. From what I've seen, these being used are supposed to be pigmented, but how pigmented I don't know. So I'll time lapse this for you. I don't like it. Bear with me a second, guys. Let me just mix up another 20 mils of clear resin, and then I can add the purple glitter. I should have done that in the first place. 1 second. Right, so I'm back with some more resin. I just put it in a bigger pot so it was too thick in the smaller one. And we're just going to lightly put this into our mould. It is going to be difficult to try and get this to go where I want it to go, but it'll be fine. I can sort it out. I'll just use a dotting tool. What should I dotting tool? So we just leave that to cure. I'm not worried about bubbles because you won't see the bubbles because it's within glitter. So I'm going to put my extra thing in a mould I am filling up, and I'll come back when this is demolded. This should be able to be demolded in 2 hours. So I will come back once it's ready for demold and we can take a closer look. Bye. Right, so these are now cured. So we're going to take these out and take a look at them. They are a little soft, but everyone who knows me knows I like to rush. I like to take my things out of the mould before they're fully cured because they cure better and more solid on a flat surface. So there's the first one. I've got a bit of overpour, but that's fine, we can get that sorted. These earrings are a little bit chunky. I wouldn't wear these. Maybe to an 80s bash, like party or something, but I wouldn't wear them. I'll probably just keep them as keepsakes. It's got a bit of overpour, but that'll pull off. So what we're going to do is we're going to top coat these with some UV resin. Jidction kindly sent me some of their trio bundle of UV resin, hard type, and they also sent me to test is their new UV foldable double-sided lamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bob you on pause and I'm going to get that set up and then we can get top coating these with some UV resin. So I will get back with you in a minute. Right, so I'm back and I've just got the lamp out. So this lamp can be used singular or double-sided. So it just comes apart like that. It's foldable. And it's got a it's got a digital display there. So it's just, come on, just 1 minute. And you can do 60 seconds, 180 seconds and 300 seconds. So basically 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And it also comes with, where's it come with? I put it, oh, a tray. And that just slots straight into the centre. And that's for that slides in and out for your makes. And it's also rechargeable, so you don't actually have to have the wire, which is fantastic. So far, I'm loving it. Right, so I just need to get a glove on. I'm only putting one on because I'm only working with one hand anyway. And I'm just gonna put a thin layer of UV resin on these and cure. I will need to drill that out at the top there so that my thingy can go through it. Right, so the resin. So this is a high viscosity, medium viscosity and low viscosity. You get one of each, which is fantastic. I tend to use the high viscosity ones when using what's it called? When top coating. It doesn't flow over the sides like other types of resin. Like if you get a low viscosity, it's more runnier. This is a thick, very, very thick. So I'm just going to take a dotting tool, which is one of these, and I'm just going to put right, so I'm back. That's now all cured. So the earrings, no, I don't like. They're alright, I suppose, but not something I would officially wear. I will need to drill them. I need to wait for my partner to come back from town as he's gone to town for some stuff. So I can only put together the pendant. So I'm just going to use a pinch bail for this, and then just going to put the pinch bail through and then squeeze it. I have put a hole into there. And then it's like that. And then you just get whichever choice of chain you want. I'm going to go for the thicker chain. And then we just put this through there. I would prefer to wear this one with a black cord. But it's whatever you feel. I'm just showing you what you can use. I don't think I've got any black cord to hand. I'll have to order some. I don't make a lot of jewellery, so And if you want something at the chain more of a girly type, then you can use one like that. But there you go. There's the pendant. There you go. That's the back, which is very glittery. And then you've got the front, which has been, what's it called? Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave that with you for today. I will be back on Thursday this week. I'm not working tomorrow. I'm just doing Tuesday, Thursday this week, and then next week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday as normal. So anyway, guys, so please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on Thursday's upload. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.